Hey there campers, welcome back. Mike Sampson of Straw Hat Studios, and today I'm bringing you the 2025 13BH in the LTD line by Sunset Park. That's right, they've made a 13-foot bunkhouse for all the V6 and smaller SUVs out there. If you pull 3500, this is perfect. We come in at 2380 unloaded, and this thing is loaded to the max. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, campers, as you can see here, we're going to be outside the Sunlite LTD. This is going to be the 13BH, and this will be able to sleep 4, pullable by minivans and SUVs and smaller Subarus and things like that. So this will sleep up to 4, set up right to be a nice little bunkhouse for you, nice compact. You can see we have a full-size awning on here, rooftop solar, 20-pound propane tank on the front. We got some power outlets on the outside, LP hookup for external cooking. On the back side, we have a spare tire, prep for a camera for backup. Coming along the back side here, you're going to see all your normal stuff that you see on the back side, that lippet ladder mount, your vent, outside shower, water heater, and storage. We come back over, we're going to head inside now. And you can see as we go inside, we're going to have those nice solid steps that fold right up in there. You do have a screen door with the pass-through. And the first thing you're going to see when we come in is that full-size bed. And that's a nice thick mattress, so it's nice and comfortable. Got your closet. Storage for up top, your 2-burner stove. This one has a microwave. Not all of them are coming with microwaves, so you do have the microwave upgrade in there. Along on this side in your storage, you'll see your Bluetooth speaker system that it comes with. A nice large farmhouse sink. Storage underneath. Nice little silverware drawer. And across from your kitchen and bed area, you will have your refrigerator. That's a nice sized 12-volt refrigerator. Right next to that will be your bench. And then this guy has the fold-down bunk. So you'll be able to sleep 4 in there. We'll just unlatch it over here. Pull down our mattress. And now we're set up to sleep 4. They built in a ladder so you can get up to that top bunk with ease. Like I said, we have rooftop solar, so we got a solar charger there. All your hookups and lights for all your power controls. Above your refrigerator, you're going to have that AC. And then you also have a dry bath in this. So you'll have your shower, toilet, and then also a medicine cabinet. Like I said, they pack a lot in this little 13-footer. I believe Sunset Park just does a great job by keeping this in a nice friendly price range. MSRP is $25,198. That's definitely not what we're selling it for. But if you'd like to know that answer, shoot me an email at mike@cortlandrv.com, or you can get a hold of me on my cell phone at 607-423-0973. I'm Mike Sampson of Straw Hat Adventures, and this was another travel trailer walk around.